So this is the last part of our session, which is listening some kids explanation or presentation about their concept and their idea behind their work. And then this is actually my favorite part because I'm so happy to see them working with something, and then yeah, they will share their thought with us. They will share their idea, and we can learn something from them also later on. Okay, this one we have Devanka. Can you start to present your work, please, Devanka? Ready? One, two, go.
Hai, this is Halo, ini project kita. Pertama-tama kita bikin segitiga, terus bikin satu segitiga lagi, terus di atas segitiga yang kedua kita buat apa? Buat bujur sangkar dan bujur sangkar di atasnya lagi. Dan setelah membuat bujur sangkar, kita buat heksagon dan heksagon di atasnya lagi. Terus apa? Terus kita membuat sesuatu seperti ini dan satu lagi ini.
Okay.
Dan anak itu.
Okay.
Terus kita pakai yang kan bikin heksagonnya dipatah-patahin. Yang porsi yang sudah dipatahin, terus kita taruh di sini, tempel-tempel di pinggirannya. Terus kita apa ini? Kita
bagus banget, Bu.
Di sini, terus satu lagi di sini.
Yeah.
Terus kita tinggal taruh ini deh. Udah.
Okay, do you have a name for your building?
It's apa tuh namanya? Extreme Park, like the Halloween version.
Okay, can you mention 5 things that you learned from these activities? Dia and also Devanka.
Belajar apa?
Belajar membuat bangunan. Yang kedua?
Kalau aku sih membuat spider web.
Oke, spider web. Yang ketiga?
Yang ketiga menggunakan lagi yang sudah dipatahkan.
Okay, reuse the popsicle stick. Yang keempat?
Yang keempat bikin kayak giniannya. Ini sebenarnya buat orang kalau udah di atas ngeliat-liat sampingnya.
Oke, yang kelima terakhirnya apa yang kamu pelajarin?
Untuk mengelem dengan rapi dan sabar.
Oke, terima kasih Kakak Devanka dan Abia. Ini berdua ya bersama berbarengan sebagai tim dan thank you so much Devanka. I give you a thumbs up.
And for
Abia also. Okay, can you help to mute your mic first? Okay, next we have Aleta. Come on, Aleta. You can start to. Abis Aleta ada Kakak Niko ya. Wait. Ready? 1, 2, go.
This is my building. Very cute. I made it with a lot of eggs.
Wow, that's cool.
I need two for you.
How can fit in there?
You want this?
Yeah. Can you show us? Can you put the doll inside it? Wow, nice. Be careful. You cannot go. Oh, okay.
I cannot grab it.
It's okay. You can just make your building a little bit leaning. You can grab it later on. So can you show us the step by step how to do it?
Make it with more and more sticks.
And then
And I made more and more diamond shape.
diamond shapes. And then
And I made it with a lot of things I use. I use markers, like doors, but they're not good.
wow, nice. Where you get the idea, Aleta?
Myself.
Yourself. You imagine something and then you create it by yourself?
Yes.
Wow.
I also kind of need some help. Hot glue.
Oh yeah. I understand that you need to work together because hot glue is a little bit more dangerous for us to work, right? Do you have any name for your building?
No.
You don't have any name for your building?
I'm almost finished. I still need to make the backyard, and I just
Oh,
figure it when I'm already done.
okay. So later you will make the the backyard of your building later on?
And also the windows and the doors.
Yeah. Are you happy with that?
Mm-hmm.
Is that
I
what
can
you
do it with my
want?
dolly.
Is that
I just,
is your planning run okay? I mean, is that the building that you really wanted?
just really want to make a house as
Okay,
tiny
nice.
to my dollies.
Yeah, very nice. You know what, Aleta, I'm so proud that you are very good. I mean, you try to construct everything very tidy and you are very well in working with your mommy. You have to say thank you to your mommy then later on after this one's done. Yeah. And don't forget to hug and kiss her so she will be so happy later on. Yeah. Do you have, can you mention 5 things that you learned from this lesson?
Being more patient.
You learn how to be patient. And then you learn how to what again?
To make everything all straight.
Yeah, to make everything all straight. And then third one.
To make everything all neater.
Okay, good job. Okay, the last one, please.
More creative.
To be more creative. Do you think that you're creative enough now?
I think so.
Yes, I agree with you. You know what, Aleta? You are very creative. I'm so proud to say it because I can see that from day to another day, you are improving a lot of things. You know what? The way you're talking, you are very confident, and that really makes you are very special for me. Thank you so much, Aleta. I give you 2 thumbs up and clap because you have creating a very nice work for yourself. Keep up the good work, yeah. Later, when you have an art class in your school, just show to your teacher that hi, Miss or hi, Mister. I think I can be more creative in the art class, and I will show you that I can do anything in art.
Apa tuh sabar?
Something like that. Do you have anything to say, Aleta? Are you happy with your building?
Yes.
Yay! Okay, you can play with that, and if it is necessary, you can create the backyard later on. Yeah. All right. Congratulations. Keep on working with the backyard later on. Thank you so much, Aleta. You may say thank to your mommy and hug her maybe or some kiss. That would be so nice. All right then. Thank you. Bye, Aleta. Now we will move to Kakak Niko. After Kakak Niko, Kakak Vio ya. Ready Kakak Niko? 1, 2, go.
Hello, my name is Nico. This is my airport. First of all, I make the wall with the popsicle stick, and I glue, and I make another wall, and I draw a down of the hotel, and I make the stairs, and
escalator. Yeah, good job.
and I make the another a top of the buildings,
Yeah,
and
another level of your building. Good
I
job. And then
draw a
yeah, you can repeat with
parking
bahasa.
of
Okay.
the parking of the plane, and I draw a plane street, and I draw a Indonesia flag.
Wow, that's really cool, you know, Nico. Nico, you know what? You're also creative. I can see that you put your best effort in making the building, and I can see that there is a hole between the fences or the wall of the building, and then the one that you hold, that aeroplane is very cool. That's nice. If I inside your classroom, I mean inside your room, I want to ask you to, I want to have that kind of aeroplane also. Oke, terima kasih ya Kakak Niko. Itu kalau misal Alda dekat sama Kakak Niko, misalnya mau minta yang warna kuning itu keren banget itunya apa namanya?
Bikinan
pesawatnya.
ibu aku.
Oh, dibantu sama ibu ya. Bagus banget.
Ini bikinan ibu aku.
Bikinan ibu kamu, ya nggak apa-apa. Niko boleh minta ajarin sama mami ya. Maminya juga kreatif, bagus. Itu juga, you know what, Nico, the concept that you are creating the line for the plane, like runway, street like that one, that is so cool. Yeah, thank you so much. Can you mention 5 things, Nico? 5 things that you learn from this lesson.
Patient.
Be patient. Good job. Yeah, be patient and what?
Math.
Math. You learn about math also. Matematika. Yeah. Okay. Good. Next one. You learn about what?
Teliti.
Teliti. Okay. Good job. Fourth one. 2 lagi. You learn about. Come on. You learn how to not give up easily.
Yeah, and
Ya, nggak mudah menyerah ya. And then the last one, come on, one more time. You learn about. Come on, you are almost there.
Rapi.
Ya, to work neatly ya, neat itu rapi. To work very neat or tidily. Thank you so much ya, Kakak Niko. Sampai ketemu lagi sama Mr. Al. Thank you so much. Tetap kreatif ya, bikin sesuatu ya. Jangan berhenti. Niko boleh tanya lagi nanti next time. Thank you so much Kakak Niko. See you again next time. And kita punya Kakak Vio, Ansel, and Alice after this ya. Ready Kakak Niko? Thank you. Go. Kakak Vio, come on.
Okay. This is my building.
And then?
I make a wall here. Make a wall in here. And then I make a wall again in here.
So you combine 2 walls into a building?
Yes.
Wow, that is like a knockdown system. Okay, what else? You can share your story. Ayo, ceritain. Are you happy with that?
Yes.
Do you have a name for your building?
This is supermarket.
Supermarket. Oh, cool. I like the idea. And then how you do it? I mean, is it hard for you to do it?
No.
Okay, which one is the easiest one? Which part?
My call in here.
Oh, the bottom side, yeah. So it is easy for you to do it. Okay. Are you happy to work with the popsicle stick?
Yes.
Okay. Do you have anything to say maybe? No? Okay. I'm going to ask you, yeah. Do you have any, I mean, can you mention 6 things that you learned from this activities from making the building? 6. Ready? The first one is you learn about what?
Building.
Making building using what?
Thing. Ice cream.
Yeah, popsicle stick or ice cream stick. Good job. The second one, you learn about what? Pio, it's okay. Don't be shy. Okay, I know that you can answer me because you also have a course, right, in EF, right? It's time for you to practice your English with me. Okay, don't be afraid to make mistake. All right, Mr. R are always listening. I'm so happy to listen up to your uh, uh, to what you say. Okay, the first one you learn about what? Can you repeat again?
Building.
Yeah, making a building using pops ice cream stick.
You.
Yeah. Second one is you learn about what? Come on. Yay, yay. You learn how to stick.
Yes.
Okay, that's a good idea. I also agree with you. Third one. Yang ketiga, come on. Use English. So, at the third one, Vio learn how to what? To stick the ice. How to what? Or how to stick the popsicle stick tightly. Yeah, like that, right? Masih ada 2 lagi. Oke, yang keempat, the fourth one will be you learn about what? Learn about how to
How
glue
how
your
to
stick.
split the supermarket.
Okay. All right. Thank you so much, Kakak Vio. You know what? You have creating a very nice work, yeah, Kakak Vio. I'm so proud that you are creating a knockdown system when you can combine 2 walls. Yeah, like that. You can install it and you can just release it like that. That's really a good idea how to do it. Thank you so much, Kakak Vio. I give you 2 thumbs up. See you again next time. And give my best regard to your brother, Kakak Ares. I know that Kakak Ares now are so busy. Take a course in EF. And I hope you guys good luck with your journey pursuing your English course later on. Thank you so much, Kakak Vio. Bye-bye. Thank you so much.
Bye.
You can play with your building now. And Kakak Ansel and Alice, please. We are waiting for you. Oke, Kakak Ansel mau duluan? Present?
Istirahat, bangunan aku belum selesai, nggak apa-apa.
Nggak apa-apa. Ayo, Yang penting yang lain bisa belajar dari punya kamu. Yuk, siap. 1, 2, 3. Hah, terbalik. Misal jadi susah nih melihatnya. Gitu ya. Ayo, tunjukin.
Ini bangunannya.
Ini bangunannya. Kamu buat apa sih itu?
Ini rumah yang sampingnya kolam renang. Ini kolam renangnya ceritanya.
Oh, keren banget. Kamu dibantu temen nggak? Bantu siapa gitu? Ya, ceritain ayo Kakak Ensel. Pertama
Jadi
kamu
ini
buat.
bikin rumahnya.
Iya. Terus?
Terus bikin fondasinya terus. Terus bikin balkonnya ada 2, sebelah sini sama sebelah sini.
Balkon, ya. Terus?
Terus baru bikin atapnya.
Susah nggak bikin itu?
Biasa-biasa aja sih.
Biasa-biasa aja ya. Bagian mana yang paling kamu suka?
Balkon yang sebelah sini.
Balkon yang sebelah
kecil.
sini ya, yang kecil ya. Itu kamu bayangin sebagai apa sih rumah yang ada kolam renangnya ya?
Iya, kolam renangnya di sampingnya.
Oh, kamu kerja sendiri apa dibantu sama mami?
Kerja sendiri.
Itu keren banget tau nggak? Kamu punya pikiran tentang rumah, terus ada apa namanya kolam renang di sampingnya. Kamu suka dengan bentuk bangunan ini?
Iya.
Iya, terus kamu bisa sebutin nggak 5 hal yang kamu pelajarin dari kegiatan ini?
Sabar.
Sabar. Fokus. Apa lagi? Ayo.
Terus cara ngelem dengan baik.
Ya. Terus yang keempat? Kamu
bikin bangunan dari stick.
Ya, bikin bangunan dari stick. Dan yang terakhir, yang kelima, kamu belajar tentang apa? Be kreatif ya. Jadi kreatif ya. Oke, itu susah nggak sih sebetulnya ngebangun sesuatu pakai popsicle stick? Lebih mudah popsicle stick atau bangun pakai kartu domino?
Sama aja.
Sama aja ya. Mana yang paling kamu favoritin? Yang paling kamu suka pakai popsicle stick atau pakai kartu domino?
Pakai sama aja sih dua-duanya.
Dua-duanya seru ya. Oke deh, kalau gitu makasih banyak ya Kakak Ensel. Karyanya keren banget, Mr. Al kasih 2 jempol. Kamu kreatif banget sampai kepikiran gitu loh bikin rumah. Terus ada kolam renangnya. Terusin ya sampai jadi ya Kakak Ensel.
Ya.
Ya, sekarang adik kita Elis. Ayo Elis. Kayak Elis juga pintar juga dia. Ya dari Elis. Kamu buat apa?
Kolam renang.
Kolam renang. Pakai apa itu? Stick ya. Gimana cara buatnya?
Ini pertama dari bawahnya.
Pertama dari bawahnya. Kamu susun ya. Terus? Prosotan. Oh. Jadi ini ceritanya prosotan yang kamu buat. Pertama kamu buat bawahnya, terus?
Baru atasnya.
Baru atasnya. Caranya gimana?
Bikin fondasinya dulu.
Fondasinya dulu, lalu?
Tumpukin atasnya.
Tumpukin atasnya. Pakai lem apa pakai apa itu?
Pakai lem.
Pakai lem. Susah nggak sih kerja pakai lem sama kerja sama sticknya? Susah nggak? Enggak. Ini sebutannya apa bangunannya? Prosotan ya? Slider ya?
Iya.
Wah, keren banget. Ini idenya Elis apa idenya Kakak Ensel? Elis ya. Elis sendiri yang mikir kan, nggak dibantuin Kakak Ensel kan? Iya, keren banget ini Kakak Elis. Ya. What? Elis, Bisa sebutin nggak Elis belajar apa aja sih dari kegiatan ini?
Kreatif.
Kreatif. Lalu?
Sabar.
Sabar. Lalu? Apa lagi? Belajar apa?
Cara bikin pelosotan dari stick.
Cara bikin pelosotan pakai stick. Iya, benar. Keren. Ya, terus ada lagi? Yang keempat? Kamu belajar apa?
Cara bikin fondasi yang kuat. Cara bikin fondasi yang kuat.
Cara bikin fondasi yang kuat. Gimana caranya kalau bikin fondasi yang kuat? Harus ditempel benar-benar ya, biar jangan sampai miring ya.
Ya.
Wah, ini kakak Elis sama kakak Ansel ini keren banget dua ini. Adik kakak yang sangat kreatif. Mr. Al bangga banget sama kalian. Kalian di mana sih tinggalnya? Di daerah mana? Di Bandung? Apa di Surabaya?
Di Jakarta.
Di Jakarta. Ya udah, hati-hati ya, stay safe ya.
Ya.
Makasih kakak Ansel dan Elis. Kalian berdua sangat kreatif. Mr. Al kasih 2 jempol buat kalian. Jangan berhenti. Kalian harus terus kreatif. Ya, you're welcome. Thank you, Elis. Thank you, Ansel. Okay, I think it's enough. Everybody already showing their work. If you think that you want to say something, yes, you can say it now. So, Kakak Fio, you want to say something?
No.
No? Are you happy with that?
Yes.
Okay, then. Thank you so much. Thank you, Alice. Thank you, Ansel. Kakak Aleta, you want to share your progress with us? Are you trying to make something now?
Padahal pengen bikin kayak jam ada tulisan ini pelosotan.
Yeah, Aleta, are you trying to make something?
I'm trying to make a garden.
Oh, the garden at the back, yeah. Wow, this is cool. And you're trying to color it later on?
So the paper's already green, so I don't need to color it.
Oh, yeah, because the paper is just already green, so you don't need to color it. Then?
And I'm making a chair already. Making a chair.
Wow, I'm so proud of you, you know, Aletas, you're so creative. Okay, keep up the good work. Thank you so much, Aleta. See you again next time, yeah? You can continue your work. It's okay. Continue your work. You have to work with your mommy and make it as best as you can. All right, thank you so much for this moment, everybody. I know that the holiday is ready end and we're going to go back to our school, even though that we're going to do it online, but I will give you some time to adapt yourself first to prepare your next academic year later on. Yeah, Ansel?
Aku ada acara ya.
Yeah. See you again, guys, everybody. I need to close also this session. Thank you so much, Nico. Thank you so much, Fio. Thank you, Kakak Ansel and Alice. Thank you, Aleta. See you again next time, Kak. Thank you, Abia. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you, Mr. Ang. Thank you,
Bye.
Mr. Bye.
Bye, Nico.
Bye.
Bye, Alice.